Sparkling Strawberry Refresher Mocktails. Brothers Bistro. Recipe so simple, even a dude can make it. You say it's your birthday!
Thanks for getting me a present, buddy.
Happy birthday to ya!
He got me a present. Can you believe it? I can't either. I'm sure it wasn't from him.
No, definitely wasn't for me. It's our birthday, so we are celebrating with some fun recipes.
It's really my birthday, not your birthday.
Well, we did the recipe.
I came out first.
We did the recipe based on your birthday. So we're going to start out with a refreshing mocktail. You can add alcohol if you choose, but it's not on plan, so we're trying to stay healthy. Right, buddy?
Right.
And this is super simple. All you need is a handful of ingredients. So when we come back, we're going to show you the ingredients, and we're going to get to drinking.
Should be fun, so hang in there. It's pretty simple, too. We found a kind of a simple recipe, but just how we like them, super simple. And it just includes a few ingredients, and basically just mash it up and pour it over ice and have at it.
And Bob's your uncle.
Bob is in fact
Right.
your uncle.
So what we got here is we got some seltzer water, which we've been advised by our AI companion that this is the same thing as sparkling water, essentially. It's made a little bit differently, but it tastes the same. There's no added flavors or anything. We got some ice in our glasses that we're going to pour the mixture over. We got some strawberries. We got a little stevia, how do you say stevia or stevia? We got the sweetener.
We got a big bowl because we're going to muddle it up. We're going to cut them up and mash them up, I think, in the water, right?
That's right. When we come back, we're going to be mushing and muddling. Yeah, so you gotta mash each individual strawberry, huh?
Yeah, I cut them in halves, or quarters, I think, actually.
All right, let me get in there, some action.
I don't think you're qualified.
I don't have my mashing certificate. Well, we're getting the juice out, that's for sure.
Yeah, well, we need the juice because we got some seltzer water to flavor.
Right. Oh yeah, these are getting kind of mashed up. No.
I did all the hard work.
Right. As per usual.
Okay, so here we go. We got our nice pitcher.
We're supposed to put the strawberries in first.
No, it didn't say that.
It did.
No.
Should I read it to you? Okay, you ready? In a pitcher, mix the mashed strawberries with 2 cups of sparkling water.
Right, so it doesn't say first.
It did say it first.
No.
It said mix the mashed strawberries.
That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix them in with our 2 cups as soon as I get my 2 cups.
Does anybody else out there have a brother like this? Always has to be
I have my 2 cups.
Wow, that's not a lot of liquid, is it?
Now I'm going to mix up my strawberries.
Okay.
My brother's going to mix it up.
Pour
and
in the stevia?
Yeah, that's fine.
We got a little stir stick. These are cool stir sticks, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and that's it.
Bob is in fact.
And when we come back, we're going to do a taste test.
No, we're going to pour it over ice, right?
Well, yeah, but when we come back, we're going to do a little taste test. And
Are we going to strain out the strawberries?
When we come back, we're going to pour it over.
Tell us what we got. Okay. So we got our stevia, our strawberries, and our soda water, or whatever you call it.
Soda water.
Salsa water. Salsa water. So, all right, and we're going to pour it over the ice.
I'm trying to get it half and half here. How do I make sure it's half and half?
Ooh. You're going to make a decent bartender, buddy.
It's pretty even, huh?
Wow, that looks pretty good. Pretty yummy. Doesn't that look yummy, people? I think it could have used our sugar on the rim. Yeah, right?
That's true. We could have done some sugar on the rim.
We'll get it close up with me.
Cheers, buddy.
You think it's that good? We can cheers on it?
It's not bad, huh?
What do you think? It's got a little hint of strawberry.
Yeah, it's a little bit weak. Probably could have maybe had a little. Maybe the strawberries weren't as ripe as they could have been. I don't know.
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's a hint. It's not super strong like a strawberry drink.
And it's not super sweet.
It's not super sweet. Yeah, and the water has no sweetness in it at all. The liquid, so it's just a little bit of.
But it's nice. All right, there you go. How easy is that, right?
Certainly, if you were with other people's partaking, this would be an alternative where you wouldn't feel like you're left out necessarily.
For sure.
You could have this.
And you could, you know, it's not on plan, but you could, instead of stevia, you could muddle the strawberries, and I think they pour sugar over it and they let it sit for a little while.
In this case, you could have used a little more stevia. I mean, we didn't use very much stevia, but it would be a flavor, because this is not super sweet. It's not sweet. It's just not super sweet.
Yeah. But I think I like it nice with the strawberries in it. You know, we could have strained the strawberries out too.
Right. No, it's better with the strawberries in it.
Okay. Well,
all right.
Give it a try. It's fun.
Bob's your uncle. Happy birthday to us.
That's right, baby.